I'm Michelle Mannix, an artist. Welcome to my SoHo Loft, where I live with my family. We moved here a year and a half ago to this quintessential cast iron building, and we wanted to work with our friends at Stollar Fearins Welch to bring it to life.
Hi, I'm Erin Fearins. We were so excited to work with Michelle. We've collaborated together in the past, and it's really fun to work with a visual artist. I can't wait to show you what we've done with the place. As you might imagine, in a New York loft, you're stepping right off the elevator into this entry space. We incorporated a lot of Michelle's artwork and a cool vintage graphic rug that really worked well with the art pieces. We wanted this entry to be an introduction to the apartment, but also an introduction to the colorful personality of the family who lives here. Every time I come into this space, I am blown away by the natural light of these huge windows, the skylight, and the buildings across the street. The architecture of Soho is just stunning. We knew this needed to be the main hangout space and serve a lot of functions for the family. So we have this large seating area that accommodates a lot of people, even though it's half of the space. One thing this apartment didn't have was a lot of closet space. So through the furnishings, we've incorporated large cabinets on both sides of this room that have a lot of incorporated hidden storage. We really wanted to lean into the industrial nature of this space, so we left everything white, and we've tried to layer in color and pattern with the furnishings to really create a sense of warmth and texture, and I think that the rich color and texture of this sofa adds solidity to this piece, and it becomes the anchor of the room. In selecting the chairs that sit in front of the window, we wanted something that wouldn't block the view, so we have gone with these leather slung pieces. This unexpected paint spattered chair is something that we found for Michelle early on, and she loved it immediately, and it's been a fun piece in this room ever since. This graphic black and white Moroccan rug is something that we knew would be a great workhorse in this room, and it's one of those pieces that's really easy to take care of. A big part of our design ethos is that we really want things to be beautiful, but they have to work, and they can't be so precious that you're afraid to go and live in those spaces. This is the heart of this home, where the family spends a majority of their time. It includes this dining space and a kitchen, and we wanted to make sure these spaces communicated together. It includes this custom banquette, which has a texture boucle that's going to wear like iron, and a round table that can expand to seat more. We really like the play of this Noguchi light off of the exposed pipes in the infrastructure of the architecture. And we added this wall to both delineate the bedroom beyond and a display space for Michelle's ceramics. This used to be an open space that was connected to the kitchen, so we added this wall of storage to really delineate and create this bedroom. We left this space pretty raw with the exposed pipe and conduit, but to add a little warmth, we incorporated furniture with really rich tones to create some coziness. We love upholstered beds, and this one in particular is a great counterpoint to the hard surfaces that surround us in the room. For the lighting in this space, we wanted to incorporate something that's both architectural and soft, so who better than Noguchi to provide that? And as with the rest of the apartment, all of the art on the walls are Michelle's pieces. There's also a huge adjoining terrace that I would take you out on, but I did not bring my snow boots, so come back in the summer.
When we bought this apartment, we knew we wanted it to represent our family and the way we live.
And we've been so inspired by this space and Michelle that this has been a joy to work on.
Thank you for coming by.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.